wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best foam pool floats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Fun Float Super Soft comes in a variety of thicknesses, as well as in your choice of cherry red or neon green. Its texture allows both air and water to travel across its surface while you relax, keeping you that much cooler on those extra scorching afternoons. It's easy to roll up for storage, however it's not as buoyant as some models, and it tends to get very hot in the sun. At number 9, if you're looking for something more compact than most models, consider having a seat on the Beach Bronco saddle from World of Water Sports. Its bold orange body features cutouts for your legs and can keep individuals of up to 220 pounds riding high. It weighs just 8 ounces and is good for aquatic workouts, but the material is easily stained. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Unlike some models that tend to flake in the sun and lose their coating with repeated use, the material of the Aqua Deluxe is colored all the way through, so it'll stay looking pristine. It features shallow channels along its surface to help keep you cool. It comes with a comfortable molded pillow, however it is a bit short at just over 5 feet, and it tends to tear over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for foam pool floats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, coming in eye-catching colors like flamingo pink, lime green and bright orange, the TRC Splash is a surefire way to stay visible as you relax on the water. It's a generous 70 inches from end to end, making it a great choice for long-bodied loungers. It features a classy high-gloss finish and a durable vinyl coating, but it sags a bit due to its flexibility. Moving up our list to number 6. The quilt-like pattern texture of the Swimway's Aquaria Solana Lounge will remind you of a plush chaise or your favorite bedspread. Its durable closed-cell construction ensures it'll never get waterlogged or crack due to UV exposure. It has a comfortable convex shape and the color runs through the entire depth, which is good because the material sheds over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. On those extra hot days when you want to keep as much of your body submerged in cool water as possible, the Soak Aqua Slicer comes in quite handy. Use it to stay afloat with no effort, resting your arms and even your drink as you drift aimlessly through the deep end. It's great for young swimmers and doubles as a kickboard. It's also suitable for sitting on. At number 4, the Ultra Plush Texas Recreation Kool is 1 3/4 inches thick, which helps make its users feel extra supported as they lie out in the sun. It comes in a handful of bold colors and features a smooth glossy surface that will stay looking great all summer long. It comes with a matching koozie and is made in the United States. However, note that the lighter colors show dirt easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It may be small, but the nekdoodle 3503 is mighty and can be used for a variety of purposes, including as an aquatic neck pillow. Just lean back and it'll keep your head above the surface so you can safely breathe, while the rest of you stays nice and cool. It's available in many colors and useful for water aerobics. It's helpful for new swimmers too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for foam pool floats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you might not want to take a bowl of spaghetti into the water with you, but the Oodles of Noodles bulk pack is another story entirely. This set of 6 can be used on their own or in combination to create a custom float for your whole body. You can choose a single color or an assortment, both that include a connector. It's great value for the price. And coming in at number 1 on our list. While it is considerably expensive, the Fluid Aquatic Ultra Luxury is one of the thickest options on the market. So in this case, you're paying for added support and durability. It's available in a range of enticing colors and features a ripple-textured pillow. It can support over 300 pounds and feels like a soft mattress. It comes with a starburst cutout cup holder. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for foam pool floats, or simply click beneath this video.